guys. We're pregnant.
No, really, we're pregnant. September 6, 2019 was an amazing day because I found out you were growing inside me. The first person I told was your dad, Brett. Look how happy you made us. We've been together since 2005. People had asked us so much that we just started saying like, no, we're not having kids. Just so people
we
leave us
also
alone.
said we weren't having a baby.
At 5 weeks, I couldn't wait to see you for the first time. Going into our ultrasound. We're nervous and excited.
Hard to see, but that's the baby. How cute that is.
Did I mention we're pretty excited? What are you making me? Gourmet, right?
Grilled cheese.
Pregnancy cravings are totally real. Yep, that's definitely mac and cheese.
You guys want to see the bump? I just woke up. It's like 5:30 in the morning on a Monday. And I have morning sickness, but I have to go be on the local news. So I'm gonna try to keep it together, get in a car, drive to LA, and not throw up on everybody. My belly is about to get a little wand on it.
That's strong. Oh my goodness. You have a heartbeat. Ah, this is really real. It's so cool to see like what's happening and just kind of get that peace of mind that like everything's going pretty well. We're gonna tell our family that we're pregnant right now. Yeah, we're nervous. Hopefully this goes well. We showed them a little ultrasound picture. And like the moms tackled me. There's a lot of shrieking and screaming. Now we get to tell everybody because we're almost through the first trimester.
We're having a baby. Congratulations! Kicking the football.
What's in Auntie Jazzy's belly?
A baby.
What's the baby's name?
Piper.
Yeah? Do you love Auntie Jazz?
Yeah. Love you, Dad.
We might be pregnant. And I decided to share the news with all my followers. You're already kind of a big deal. You're blowing up my Instagram feed. But now that everybody knows, people don't look at me, they just look at my belly. I'm like, hey, eyes up here.
Brett bought me a body pillow. And look who's got the body pillow. This is a real turn of events. He looks cozy though.
What's happening?
Our bodies are changing.
Oh my goodness. It's a real critter.
The bump is growing. Tiger loves using you as his pillow, but really, I can't wait to find out if you're a boy or a girl.
Well, we're going to the baby reveal party right now.
Yes.
At
Where?
my brother's house. And it's gonna be awesome.
So neither of us know what we're having, and today we're gonna find out. Yeah, it's gonna be really fun. Hello! Oh my gosh.
I'm Aubrey. I'm Jasmine's cousin. I'm the only one who knows the sex of the baby, and I'm the one who's gonna reveal it to them.
My cousin Aubrey is in charge of however we're gonna find out. And so, yeah, we don't know how it's gonna go. I feel like a homeowner at one of my reveals. I understand now how they feel because we're at our own reveal. Everybody either wore blue or pink, depending on like what they're hoping for. And it's really interesting to see what everybody thinks it's gonna be. You're blue?
Team Blue.
Team blue.
Absolutely.
Both of you.
Yes.
Now, Jonathan's obviously pink.
He only makes girls, so yes.
I have Team Pink on, but I really am Team Blue if you look at my toenails.
A boy would be easier because I've been around boys a lot, but a girl would be awesome as well.
Either way, it's gonna be great. You haven't slipped, you haven't told Jonathan, you haven't told anybody?
There's one person I told, and they're not here.
Wait, who'd you tell?
My waxer.
I am a little bit nervous, but I'm also really excited at the same point. It's, it's big.
Hey, you guys ready? I think it's time. You ready? Come on.
Ah! Oh my God, it's so cute! Baby Roth coming April 2020. Oh my gosh! What? Oh, this is good. You've outdone yourselves. Okay?
Use this wonderful tool.
Yes.
You're gonna smash that to pieces.
You want me to hit it?
Oh yeah. It's all you.
I don't think the doctor's gonna approve of this. Are you ready? I'm so nervous! Here goes. 3, 2, 1. Let's hear for the keeper of the What are we gonna do with the girl?
Everything.
Congratulations, guys.
Hopefully it's happy, healthy. Looks like Jasmine, not like me. Give us a
Yay! It's a girl. Hey, what are we gonna name the girl? What are we gonna name it? Pipey Sun? This is like the big thing we've been saving. It's time. Like this is the next step, and we're so excited. Are you
I can't wrap
ready?
my head around it. Like it's.
I love you so much. I'm so excited.
It's gonna be great.
Every day we get closer and closer to meeting you, and your dad and I can't wait. See you soon.